the hell? Who for...
Even though we have been following the war in Ukraine from the start, we are still shocked by the scale of Russian losses. Russian soldier walks among the corpses of the last meat assault. Staggering losses and bodies everywhere.
Who the hell? Who for money? Forget it, bro. Rest in peace. So guys, if anything, for considerations, welcome to Russia. Damn Ukraine, damn guys, mines. And who's in it for the money? You see, get lost. Were those bugs friends to you? There they lie, guys. They don't need that damn money anymore, and neither do their families.
A tank, Bradley IFV, and MRAP Senator helped Ukrainian forces break through to a street in Toretsk, engage Russian infantry, and capture 4 prisoners. The Battle of Toretsk, an ongoing engagement in eastern Ukraine's Donetsk Oblast, commenced on June 18, 2024, as Russian forces intensified their offensive to capture the city and its surrounding settlements. Toretsk holds significant strategic value due to its location, which offers control over vital supply routes and access to key urban centers in the region. In the initial phase, Russian troops advanced through nearby settlements, including Pivden, Pivnichna, and New York, gradually tightening their grip around Toretsk. By August 2024, Russian forces had entered the city from multiple directions, leading to intense urban combat. Ukrainian forces, notably the 100th Mechanized Brigade, have mounted a staunch defense of Toretsk. The brigade's Voron drone unit has been instrumental in targeting Russian positions, utilizing attack drones to disrupt enemy advances. In November 2024, Ukrainian defense forces captured Russian soldiers during street battles in Toretsk, highlighting the ongoing close-quarters combat within the city. As of January 2025, the battle for Toretsk remains active, with Russian forces reportedly controlling approximately 81% of the city. Ukrainian defenders continue to resist, employing various tactics to slow the Russian advance. The protracted conflict has led to significant destruction within Toretsk, with both military personnel and civilians enduring substantial hardships. The outcome of this battle remains uncertain, as both sides persist in their efforts to control this strategically vital location. Russian forces have suffered heavy losses in Toretsk due to intense urban combat and Ukrainian resistance. Precision strikes from drones and artillery have inflicted significant casualties, particularly in close-quarters street battles. Ukrainian engineers have equipped the Pantsir-S armored recovery vehicle with a heavy set of circular reactive armor, an electronic warfare system, and grills. A photo of the armored vehicle was shared by the Zapisky Mazudi Telegram channel. The heavy-tracked armored recovery vehicle in the photo is one of more than 20 vehicles donated by the German government as military aid to Ukraine. The Pantsir-S, built on the Leopard 1 main battle tank chassis, was equipped with advanced technical features. However, its protection level has proven inadequate against modern threats on the Ukrainian battlefield. Given the need to evacuate damaged equipment directly from the battlefield, the vehicle was additionally equipped with a massive set of reactive armor units that almost completely covered the area of the sides, stern, and frontal part of the ARV. These are typical 66-2 containers of the Soviet Contact 1 ERA, each weighing 5.5 kilograms. Each such container is equipped with 2 plates of 4S-20 reactive armor elements, or an alternative product, for example, the knife ERA. If the left side of the vehicle was equipped with an equal number of units, all fitted with standard elements, the total weight of this setup would reach 2.7 tons. The vehicle's overall weight is further increased by the addition of grills over the engine compartment roof in the aft section, and an electronic jamming station designed to counter FPV drones. The weight of the basic version of the Pantsir-S is 39.8 tons. Given that the chassis from the Leopard 1 is designed to weigh more than 42 tons, this load should be acceptable. The main purpose of the Pantsir-S is to support armored units, evacuate damaged vehicles from the battlefield, restore damaged vehicles, assist in the installation and dismantling of engines and turrets, and provide support in the repair shop. The ARV is equipped with a crane, auxiliary tools, and specialized armor repair equipment. For field operations, the Pantsir II is also capable of transporting a spare tank engine on its aft hull. The crew consists of 4 people: a driver, a commander, a machine gunner, and a radio operator. The Ukrainian army is similarly retrofitting Leopard 1 tanks into service, installing Contact 1 and knife-reactive armor kits and folding anti-drone nets on the turret top. This equipment has already successfully proved itself in combat. Recently, a modernized Ukrainian Leopard 1A5 withstood a series of 10 hits from Russian FPV drones with an anti-tank warhead. Italian Air Force, 13th Squadron/32nd Stormo flying out of Malbork in Poland. An extremely close encounter between an Italian Majestic F-35 and a Russian crappy fighter jet over the Baltic Sea. Shooting date, 10th of January, 2025. Frequent incidents in the Black Sea involve close encounters between NATO and Russian planes, often during surveillance operations or military drills. These encounters include aggressive maneuvers, near misses, and interceptions, increasing tensions and risks of miscalculation in the region. Swedish authorities boarded a Maltese-flagged ship seized in connection with the latest breach of cables running along the bottom of the Baltic Sea to begin an investigation into the matter. We can confirm that persons from Swedish authorities have been on board the vessel to carry out investigative measures, Swedish Security Services spokesperson Johan Wikström said. The bulk carrier Vezhin, owned by the Bulgarian company Navigation Maritime Bulgare, was reportedly detained. The head of the Bulgarian company, Captain Alexander Kalchev, said the Vezhin might have struck the Baltic undersea cable that had been damaged on Sunday. He said one of the ship's anchors had fallen to the seabed in high winds and that there had not been malicious intent. On December 26th, it was reported that Finland had boarded and detained the Eagle-S tanker suspected of damaging the cable. The vessel, which was transporting oil from Russia to Egypt, is suspected of deliberately cutting communications between the two countries as it was passing close to them at the time of the incident.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.